Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. Welcome to the Benin learning class. I want to believe that you are having a nice time following us on this learning journey. I am still Waila Novine, your host. I want to believe you are finding these videos useful. If so, do give us a thumb up, do subscribe to this channel, like, comment, ask questions, because the goal is to teach you the Benin language, and we'll always be there to answer these questions. Either you are a returning subscriber or you are a new subscriber. There are some other videos that we have done in the past that you may want to go back to watch so that we can be on the same page. All right. And if you also need a personal coach for yourself or for your kids, we are open for that. Just call or chat us on the number that is on your screen right now, and we'll be able to work with you on your preferred time. All right. So today we are looking at something different. We are looking at animals in Benin language, and that is called Aame. Aame. Okay, we have domestic animals, we have wild animals. So for today, we are looking at Amowa. Amowa, which is domestic animals. Owa is house, so that means animals that you can see around the house. Okay, don't go anywhere, stay tuned, and don't forget you subscribe. All right, thank you.
Dog, ekita. Hen, adìyẹ. Pig, ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ or esiebo. He goat, ewe. She goat, odegbe. Horse, ẹṣin. Cockerel, ọ̀pà. Cat, ológbò or òriẹ̀dẹ̀. Cow, ẹ̀mìlà. Bull, emelu. Rat, ofen. Rabbit, ọ̀fíùntọ̀. Squirrel, ọ̀tàn. Snail, egilẹ̀. Frog, ẹkìyẹ. Monkey, emẹ. Antelope, uzo. Lizard, osikpalọ. War gecko, ekpowa. Grass cutter, evuato. Cockroach, eheme. Earthworm, ikolo. Sheep, ohua. Ram, agbo. Donkey, eketekete. Grasshopper, atete. Cricket, asele. Butterfly, labalaba. Termite, edon. Ant, ehi. Thank you for your time. We love you.